Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how we can find out the number of blank rows in a column of data. Here I have a column of data with where some of the cells or some of the rows are empty, and I need to find out the count of this of the missing cells or the missing rows here. To do that, we are going to use a very simple formula, which is the count blank formula. And to do that, let's go ahead and see how it works. So I want the result here. So I will say equal to count. And as I start typing, as you can see that Excel has already prompted me for count blank. I'll select it, double click it, and it is there now. It shows you that it takes only one parameter, which is the range. So let me go ahead and select the range from which I want to find out the missing or the blank cells. And once I've done that and I've closed the parenthesis and I hit enter, you can see that it has calculated the number of empty rows or empty cells in that column of data correctly. So that's all there is to it. It's a very simple formula, count blank with the range, and hope this video was useful to you. Thank you.